Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import videos and photos in the VLLO app. If you are new to the VLLO or not sure how to add media to your project, this guide will help you out. First, open the VLLO app on your phone. From the home screen, you can either create a new project by tapping on the plus icon or open an existing project you want to edit. Once you are inside the editing screen, look at the timeline at the bottom. Here you will see different icon at your left corner. Within it, tap on media. Now VLLO will open your photos and videos library. If it's your first time, allow VLLO access to your media by tapping the allow access. You can now browse through your gallery, then tap on videos or photos that you want to improve. Each selected item will be highlighted, as well as you can select multiple files at once. After selecting your media, tap on done at the bottom. Then the selected videos or photos will be imported directly into the timeline. You can drag and rearrange the clips in the timeline, as well as stream them or add more medias anytime by tapping on the media icon. And that's it. You have successfully imported videos and photos into your VLLO projects. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next time with more VLLO tutorials.